Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, welcome to another Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. First of all, a huge thank you to our whole school community for the work that you have done over the past week. Going into a snap lockdown, which was announced by the Victorian Government last Friday, was not something that we expected or wanted, and it certainly posed a challenge to all of us. First of all, a huge thank you to the students at our school. You have shown resilience when you've been faced with this challenge once again, and we know that you rose above it. Thank you for doing your work at home. Thank you for following your teachers' instructions and your parents. To our parents, we know that learning remotely is a challenge, particularly if you have young children at home or you are trying to work at home yourself. Thank you for the support that you've offered to your children as well as to the teachers within the school. To our teachers, our educational support staff, our office staff and our leadership team for their flexibility in managing our teaching and learning program and the quick change at very short notice. Also for all the protocols that we had in place to make sure that this remote learning short snap period ran very smoothly. I'm very proud of our whole community for the effort that they have placed into this past week. We are so happy to have students back on site again. Going into classrooms yesterday when students returned, it was so wonderful to see. When we are on site, we make sure as a school community that we are following the COVID safe principles as outlined by the Victorian Government. Hand sanitizer is available in all learning spaces, and students are reminded regularly to continue to hand sanitize throughout the day. It's also important to encourage that 1.5 metre social distancing that we hear so often. This is indoors and outdoors. We strongly encourage students and parents to make a space to meet in the yard. Have a designated spot where you let all your children know you will be and have them come to you. This will avoid crowding in the yard around learning spaces. And finally, just a reminder for all students that you must wear a Cranbourne East Primary School approved hat when out in the yard. It is still term 1 and the weather is still warm. Having a hat is vital for your health outside. If you do not have a hat, you must sit in the undercover areas. If you cannot find a hat, you cannot get a hat, and you've discussed this with your parents, parents can contact the school and speak with either Mr. Music or Mr. Welsh in regards to this. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a great week ahead, and it's wonderful to have you all back at school. Bye.
Alright, let's see how you go with this week's riddle. Listen carefully. Kate's mother has 3 children. Snap, crackle and... 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Alright, time's up. Kate's mother has 3 children. Snap, crackle and... Kate, you were about to say pop, weren't you? I hope I tricked you with that one. Make sure you go home and see if you can trip up your family members at home with that great riddle. Have a wonderful week, everyone. Bye.